Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh. Welcome back to the School of Sikhi, and today we're going to be learning about Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first Sikh Guru. And you may already know some of this information from the previous video, and if you haven't checked out the previous video, the link will be in the description down below, so make sure you check that out, watch it, and subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Gurpurb was on the 29th of November 1469, and he was born in Nankana Sahib, which is now in Pakistan. There's also a Gurdwara there which is called Nankana Sahib. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born to Chandadas Bedi and Mata Tripta, and he had an older sister who was called Bibi Nanki. So Guru Nanak is the first of the 10 Sikh Gurus, and he preached about Sikhi all over the world, and he was the first to find the path of Sikhi, as Sikhism is more of a path of life and a way of life than actually a religion. At the age of around 16 years old, Guru Nanak Dev Ji had a job at Daulat Khan's shop, and his duty was to sell and weigh grain and other ingredients that customers would buy. As one of the Janam Sakhis explains, Guru Nanak Dev Ji was weighing grain for customers, and he was counting, and as he counted from 1 to 12, when he came across the number 13, he kept repeating it. He kept repeating Tera. Tera translates to the number 13 in Punjabi, but it also can mean yours. And in this context, Guru Nanak Dev Ji meant, I am yours, Lord. And then soon after that, he went into meditation. The people that were buying the grain were so overjoyed, as Guru Nanak Dev Ji was just handing out the grain and ingredients as he kept repeating Tera. And it was at such a low price, so people were really overjoyed by getting free grain. Soon after that, the word reached Daulat Khan, the owner of the shop, and he ordered a check to be completed of the shop and to check how much of the ingredients Guru Nanak Dev Ji had just given away without even getting payment for it. However, the Guru's detractors were surprised when they found out that the store had actually a surplus in ingredients and a surplus in profit. This is only one of the most phenomenal things Guru Nanak Dev Ji has done in his life. At the age of 7, Guru Nanak Dev Ji would surprise his classmates and his teachers by teaching them about the unity of God and the oneness of God, and how everyone is equal in the eye of the Lord. On 24th of September 1487, Guru Nanak Dev Ji got married to Mata Sulakshmi and had 2 sons, Shri Chand and Lakshmi Chand. After Guru Nanak was enlightened by God, he went on to preach about Sikhism all around the world. Guru Nanak's teachings and Sikhism were a revelation from God, and are believed to be significant in both Hinduism and Islam. Guru Nanak emphasized that all human beings can have a connection to God without having to do rituals or having priests. The 3 main teachings of Guru Nanak was Vandachako, Kirt Karo, Naam Japna. Vandachako means sharing with others. Kirt Karo was earning a living without having fraud or exploitation in your workplace. And Naam Japna was meditation on God's name. Jyoti Jyot of Guru Nanak Dev Ji was on the 24th of September 1539, and his successor was Guru Angad Dev Ji. So that's pretty much the video for today, and I hope you gained a lot of information about Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Hope you're inspired to learn even more, and if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment down below anything else that you may have read about Guru Nanak Dev Ji, any stories that you really like, and also share this video so you can spread the message of Sikhi. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to this channel, as I will be posting more videos very soon. And so yeah, bhul chuk maaf karni, khima bakshni ji. Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh.